tends to be the normal calculus.
So, Glenn, there's been a whole back and forth about the timeline here. That's a very diplomatic way of saying this, given Trump's team has asked for a trial in 2026. Jack Smith's team replied and said that's bogus. That date is going to be set, or we expect that date to be set coming up next Monday. What do you think is going to happen here? What's kind of a viable timeline for a trial?
Well, let's look at what Judge Chutkan said previously. She said, you know, if the defendant continues to say things, to post things that might interfere with our ability to pick a fair and impartial jury, might poison the jury pool, might intimidate witnesses, I will accelerate the trial date. He has done some of those things. So I have a feeling Judge Chutkan is going to set a trial date in early 2024. I also think when the defense team, Trump's defense team, throws out a date that's 2.5 to 3 years down the road, April 2026, it sort of shows that they're not really engaged in legitimate lawyering. I mean, it really feels like they're assistant campaign chairman at this point for Donald Trump.
Ludicrous a little bit.
And that will help, I think, push Judge Chutkan to an earlier trial date if they're not really trying to legitimately present a trial date that, you know, is an honest assessment of how much time they think they're going to need. So I can't wait until next Monday. I want to see what Judge Chutkan does. But I think she understands that everybody, including the American people, have a keen interest in getting this case resolved well in advance of the 2024 election.